The Skyline Messenger is a minimalist travel bag defined by its clean lines, lightweight, and quick camera access. It will fit a mirrorless or DSLR camera with 3 to 5 lenses up to 70 to 200mm 2.8, or even a compact drone kit, plus a 13-inch laptop, yet it weighs only 1.5 pounds or 0.7 kilos. This bag is exceptionally lightweight. The quick access zipper provides 2 huge benefits. First, removing gear is very fast and doesn't require you to open the front flap. Second, there is much better security when you can discreetly exchange a lens without showing the rest of the world all the gear that you're carrying. When you do want to open the flap, you'll find Tenba's exclusive WhisperHook quiet closure. If you pull straight up, you'll hear the same sound you hear on any other messenger bag. But if you pull straight down before pulling up, it's really quiet. The kind of quiet that says, "Hey, while you're getting married over there, I'm going to silently get a lens out over here." Inside, you'll find the customizable camera compartment and the padded 13-inch laptop sleeve. Around the side, tear-resistant mesh pockets can fit a water bottle and sunglasses. Then, there is a front accessory pocket for small items. The back side has a trolley strap so you can slide the bag onto your rolling luggage. Finally, the bag is made from water-repellent fabrics and reliable YKK zippers, so it will withstand years of serious use. If you like to travel, you'll love the Skyline Messenger.